I am calling Hugo Favre on the mobile phone.
Hi, Ace. You on speaker?
Do you think that, like, the evidence adds up for 9/11?
What?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Will Dooley.
What are you here to do?
He's here to do some leaf.
Give Ace a hug.
You know, a dollar might just fuck your main bitch.
Buddy. Sorry.
Who is Gway? Who is Gway? Why are we young? Yagway. Yagway. Who's Gway?
We can't put that in the final cut.
Hit this?
Ice.
Game of all times here. So I hope you enjoy it.
I want to play so bad. I just want to.
It's gonna blow your mind.
I have a PS4.
Go for it. Play your thing.
Ace, what were you thinking? How have you been liking Elden Ring so far?
I like it. Apparently, hold on.
Will and Mason go, and
I see you.
one of the guys.
Yeah.
What's up? Sorry, I was a little bright in here. Had to put on my sunglasses. Oh, Dylan brought his.
Yeah.
Also, wait, should I bring the actual big camera? So it's fabulous. That's my brother. He is mine.
I thought Elden Ring's just on in the background.
Most intimidating and dominant group at the party.
I love it.
We're the most interesting group.
I mean, I like the range of outfits. We look really cool. We need to.
I know. I'm sorry. You guys like all look really cool and like.
Is that Hannah? What was her name? The
Yes.
girl from.
Yeah.
Some people like jumpers, but I don't want to jump back on.
What? And I was like, no, these are my jumpers. When I make a joke, they like clap and giggle for me. They go,
Yes.
I'm not even like.
If I hug you, it's the last thing I know. No, it's like, hey, make sure you got it.
Jeff Post going to do that.
Wait, can you look good?
Position your can you flex your butt?
I was just about to be like,
I think we're going to do I didn't know. I'm glad I got
The greedy grinner.
magnificent.
Oh, word. Let's go.
We just snatched this. This is delightful.
Free, dude, I love the best part about parties is all the free shit.
Yeah.
Electrolyte's a scam, is that a bit?
No, those are real.
They're real.
Real?
Like, is it worth the price?
No, that's your life.
Slant to the camera.
Someone said Dana Carvey.
Girl died.
Pearl died?
It's done.
It's
Fuck! Fuck!
We were just gonna do a great bit.
Dude, we brought Fruit Loops. We brought Fruit Loops.
Let's get back in there.
We can get in.
We are getting back in there.
The fire alarm can't be louder than the concert.
That's okay.
If you close your eyes, it's part of the show.
Well, good thing it was free.
Now's your chance to get up there and start playing.
We can.
Look at these guys.
I texted Ace. I was
You guys have your treats.
Fuck you guys.
Let's just go take a picture by the sea.
We're not letting people back in.
Oh, okay.
Who fucking plays that?
Okay, well, that was really embarrassing because they're definitely not letting.
There's been a
And that's not like 40 people going in there, and then they're like. Infiltrating.
The door's just open.
The whole time I was in there, I was thinking like, this is a video game level. Because if I come back here next week, there's gonna be nothing here. It's like one of those events like in Red Dead where you go to a square or something, and they're having like a women's suffrage
Now they're kicking people out of the back.
rally, and you come back later, they're not having it.
In a second, but
That's what I was thinking.
They're kicking people. They're trying to kick people out. Too.
Man, that's fucked. What are we supposed to do now?
I think
Overall, it was a great night. You know how many numbers this is?
No.
Dylan. Trying to...
Don't be tempted.
Perfect.
Sorry, I took the lighter. No, you're good. It was in my hand.
About to mob us.
Wait, guys, check out this cool little cone. I'm just gonna walk. Straight to chalk.
business then.
I'm gonna take you to every single person with this. Hold on, wait.
Paparazzi. Let's give it a show.
It's so yellow, that picture.
It was only Vente, but she had my shit al dente.
She fell into a bush. I like how every time I want to keep the party going. There's always like loud music and blinding lights. Like that one place we ate at with Abby.
Oh yeah, that was. Dylan, who was that lady that you got your package from?